most awaited launch of Delhi NCR is here. Godrej is coming soon with super luxury apartments named as Godrej Riverine in Sector 44, Noida. Located just 5 minutes from Delhi, this high-end project offers exquisite 3 and 4 BHK residences ranging from 2700 to 3700 square feet, starting at rupees 7 crore onwards. Spread across 6.46 acres, it features the region's first floating river, stunning 97-acre golf course views and an ultra-luxury clubhouse crafted for your indulgence. Strategically located at Sector 44 Noida, enjoys unmatched connectivity. 2 minutes to metro stations, 5 minutes to Max Hospital and Amity School. You now have the chance to redefine your idea of luxury with Godrej Riverine, where elegance meets exclusivity. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Call us now to secure your space at Delhi NCR's most iconic residential space.